Hello everybody. So this is going to be a weird stream. Basically, you're going to be staring at a black screen while I talk about stuff while doing things. That might be fun, it might not be. I don't 100% know, to be 100% honest at the moment. Just chatting streams. If you didn't know, I did say I was going to stream every day of April. And so far I did a test stream that was in March, that doesn't really count. I did a stream on the 2nd, and that's it. And we're now on the 5th. So I'm slacking slightly. I will do a stream for every day of April. It's obviously just going to run slightly into May. Work and stuff is a problem. I have been at work today until 6. I then slept for 2 hours, basically. I've got some shit to do, so I thought I would do it while doing a little just chatting stream. On both Twitch and YouTube's. So yeah, so this is out of 5 days. I've done it twice, so I need to start flattening the curve. No, that's something I'm allowed to say. But yeah, so we're going to be doing some stuff that you're not going to see any of it basically. But I'm going to be working on putting like the metadata in for some videos I've got on YouTube on both of my channels, both the one I'm streaming to now, and it was Jake, and my Jake's Aussie Stuff channel. So I'm going to do at least a week. If not, I might just do all the videos that I have uploaded so that they're all done. So that's going to be some. So for the gaming channel, it's going to be some Kerbal videos, 3 episodes of Warzone, 2 episodes of Black Ops Online. Then I've got some videos to do on the Jake's Aussie Stuff channel. Tales from the Workshop, Radio Master Overview, Radio Master Test with Easy UHF and stuff, and me setting up a first time of Crossfire and the Radio Master. So, fun times. It does feel a bit weird that I'm like, because I then start talking about Jake's RC Stuff videos, that I'm not streaming there. It's a shame that like Mob Crush doesn't allow me to stream to multiple different channels, because that'd be the easiest thing to do. And let's be honest, there's more active subscribers on my RC Stuff channel than on Twitch or YouTube, unfortunately. So let's go to YouTube. Let's go to Jake's RC Stuff. Let's switch to my name is Jake. My name is Jake technically has more subscribers. Just gonna go to so we have 4 episodes of Kerbal Space Program 74, 75, 76, 73. So I need to find Kerbal Space Program 72. Let's copy all the info from. So 72 is the episode that we have available. Now, because of the stupid way that YouTube works, I have to set the no, it's not made for kids and the date when it goes live, which for the first one will be the 12th of April. $1700 for 5 PM. Schedule, and I get to do that a bunch of times. So 74. No, it's not made for kids, just so we can like have a normal YouTube experience. 13th of April. 1700, excuse me. Okay, 75 is going to be no. Schedule for the 14th. at 1700 hours. Schedule. It's going to be Thursday, 15th. Okay. So 72 is the one that I've got there, so we can open 73 in a new tab, 74, 75 and 76, all in new tabs. And then for the title, I just copy the bit that says Let's Play Kerbal Space Program Season 2 Episode 72 and copy it onto the front of, like, my file names are usually just the number and then a title. So it was, for this one it was 73-Relay Satellite in Orbit. I am just going to make sure that I spell satellite right. And make sure I change it to 73 from the last one. '74 satellite, 75 avoiding disaster. Just gonna move you slightly away from my mouth because you were like up my nose. Trying to match orbits, oh dear. Maybe tomorrow, if I have enough energy to stream, we'll do some Kerbal. So then, for the description, copy and paste it into all of them, and then we grab the first episode that I have here, so episode 72, copy the link, copy it as the previous episode 73, then I get the link to 73, make it the next for 72 and the previous for 74, and you know how this is going to go. So now copy 74, oops, shit. Playlists, for this one we have two, so I have Kerbal Space Program and Kerbal Space Program Series 2. Usually I only have one, just to make life a billion times easier, especially because if I don't upload for a while, it like disappears a million miles away. The worst one is tags, because they now seem to, for whatever reason, hide tags in like a different, like, show more menu for no fucking reason. So show more, and at least with tags here compared to the crap on Facebook, you can just copy, paste, YT quality equals high. That's how old these tags are. I think it was basically so that if you wanted it to like force show the high quality tag before like HD and 4K and stuff were a thing, you would paste that in your tags, and even if you didn't have a high quality video, it would show it. Like, you just needed to put that in to make it show. I even have like stuff to do with Nexus Hunger Games for a Kerbal Space Program video. That's a little bit weird. Maybe I should have a clear out of these on this last one, and then they'll get copied to all the others. So we don't need Nexus, don't need Hunger Games, don't need Hunger, don't need Games can stay. RPM Network, thank God I got rid of that. Yeah, this is a lot of the sort of They were like, right, that's better. Everything else has been done. Let's have a look at thumbnails. I don't do custom thumbnails because effort. Another like one of the things with thumbnails is like, for thumbnails it means I'd have to do it on this desktop computer, whereas without thumbnails I can do these anywhere. Like I can do it on my iPad, I can do it on my laptop. I guess if I had like Photoshop and a Creative Cloud subscription, I could keep the files in Creative Cloud or something. Have I got any messages I need to reply to? No. Good old first can in an empty recycling bin. Let me grab the two that I had left that couldn't fit in the recycling thing, which is why I have to empty it. It's weird because I don't have my like headset on because I don't need it for this, but I have my microphone on and I actually have my one of my AirPods in. I'm listening to HC Justin Stream, so it's a bit all over the place. So they're all done. So I can just go save, 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 save. Refresh the main Creator Studio screen. You can see all the new ones added in. I'm falling behind a little bit of videos. Like the next time I have like some days off, I've got to do like nearly 3 weeks. Bang on 3 weeks worth of videos. Just ones in 1 week and whatever. We'll be fine. So that is all the KSPs done, so they can go blue in like my little schedule thing. Can I show you this? I can. I'll just show you streaming PC. No, gaming PC. Aha! So you're gonna have some weird streamception over on the right. But so you can see this is what I use as like a. This is like my YouTube timetable on the left hand side, so you can sort of see what's happening there. Pink is like planning in the future. Do I have the little key up at the top? Yeah, so videos are planned, so if it's just like written in there like this, it's a planned video that I haven't done yet. Video recorded is red. Important to Vegas is like this browny orange. Export is yellow. I don't do conversions anymore. I have fast enough internet where that doesn't matter. Save to upload PC isn't a thing anymore. The reason why I used to save to upload PC is when I had a really crap internet. Instead of having to have my big computer on all the time, I had like a little tiny, it's like an 80 pound like Celeron 2-core thing that sucked like no amps. So I'd move everything over via network to that and then upload through there. So that's really not needed anymore. Upload is purple and YouTube is blue, and as it says there, pink's for planning. So the minute you see some planning, you see some purple because stuff's uploaded. I've just changed that KSP to blue from purple. So now we're going to move on to some Warzone stuff. Let me go to just chatting. You see, my Stream Deck's actually getting some use. Even though with that on the screen on the right hand side, I could literally go directly to it. But never mind. If you wonder why everything looks a little bit zoomed out, it's because it's a 4K monitor. The only reason I went 4K is for a while on one of these monitors I had a 1080p. I'm trying to put things as quarters for streaming, because usually I have Streamlabs OBS for streaming, OBS for recording, Task Manager to make sure I'm not like bottlenecking everything in the bottom left, and then in the top right I have Google Chrome open with like the Twitch, the YouTube and stuff like that in. I have recently fixed Streamlabs so that it uses my GPU. So like at the minute, even on a basic stream like this, it uses between like 13% and 40% of my GPU. But considering that regular OBS only uses like 15 or 20 for recording, somehow, even though it's the better recording quality, it's like 60 or 70% max, and it's nice to actually see my 970 being used, because most of the time it wasn't used, it was just like banging on the limit of the 4790K. I use a 4790K processor and a 970. It's a 6-year-old PC now. It's still doing quite well. I thought I needed an upgrade quite immediately because I was having issues with video editing being slow and with like things topping out when doing video streaming and stuff. But now I've got the GPU being used more, that's fine. And I had like ridiculous settings for video exports, where it didn't matter. I had the same settings on like 3 different computers, and it didn't matter, it always did 25 FPS. So on this computer, it ran it at like 80 or 90% all the time, and I thought that's why it was a problem. But I have a newer laptop that's a 4700U from a Ryzen 4700U, I think. It's 8 core, 8 thread. And that'd be sat at like 50%, doing the exact same amount of frame rate. I also tried it on a 2700 Ryzen that I use on a server. I just like shut the server off, boot into Windows on it quickly, and tried that. Same. It was just the same FPS. So I fiddled with some settings, and now again it uses GPU while encoding now, and also uses like between 50 and 80%. Most of the time I just cut and stick clips together. I don't really do like any color grading or anything, because I'm filming on an iPhone. I'm not sure exactly how much color grading you can really do. Obviously in the future, if I do decide to do more color grading, that will be an ongoing problem. So we have 3 Warzone videos and 2 Black Ops Online videos, so search the channel for Black Ops. So this is the 16th. I don't do weekend videos. Visibility 10. Nope. $22. Oh, am I? Ooh, hang on. What am I doing? What am I doing? What is this? I am doing the Black Ops ones by accident. Cock. I fixed that issue. We can sort that out at a later date. Whoops, I need to grab that back. I'm going to put that there. War zone. That's the 16th. 1700. We'll go for 19 and 20. $14, $15, $16. $20. Slight shame that like my last follow was a year ago. This is what's annoying about YouTube. Like the putting in the metadata afterwards is just the boring bit. It's the same like as I sell stuff on eBay as well. The worst bit about that is actually putting the stuff on eBay. The buying the stuff and the selling the stuff is great. That's fun. The actual putting the shit on eBay is shite. Right, that's them done. And I need to grab the description, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Then do the previous and next episodes. Call of Duty Warzone. This is what's annoying. Now I have to like... I don't want Modern Warfare. I want Warzone. 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 And then what's very easy to accidentally forget is tags, because they're now hidden in a separate menu, even though they are the main thing that gets your video actually watched. So why that's hidden, I have no idea. Like, just have it all on the screen. Like, I don't know why. Especially like, because if you're new to YouTube, you're gonna not know to put tags in, and you're just like, what a crock of shit. So that's all the Warzone stuff saved. Refresh just to make sure everything looks fine. Let me double check this option for something different. Next payout in 26 hours. Excellent. Episode 1 on the 21st of the month. Excellent. And the 22nd on the 22nd, it's a win. It's meant to be. Always glorious. Always annoying when it's like one off because you get it confused the wrong way around. Or at least I do. Move that out of the way. 21, 22, move that where it should be. Copy the description. I remember when I first started playing Call of Duty Black Ops, I thought it was just called Black Ops. I didn't even realise Cold War was like the name. I thought it was just like, I don't know what I thought it was, but I didn't think it was part of the name. So I just called it Call of Duty Black Ops 2020. That's what the playlist is called. Fun stories, everybody. Alright, save, save, save. So they can now be made. Blue. Right. So now what I can do is I can swap to the channel that has potential. I'm only like... Okay. So Tales from the Workshop should be fairly easy. Hang on. Tales from... Yeah, I fucked it up. Part 2. Something that I do need to do quickly is fire up old File Explorer, go into recordings, edited videos, JXLC stuff, go to Tales in the Workshop. I need to edit this to be number 5 so I don't get confused in the future. Fifth. I'm just going to make it, in this episode, we move over more models to my T16. As well as show a weird issue I have found with this radio. Paste the tags. Schedule. It's in a playlist. Save. So that is a test in the workshop video. Done. Radio Master overview. So this is going to be a bit harder to do because it isn't just continuing on. Refresh the YouTube Creator Studio page. Radio Master. I presume it's going to be that video. Radio Master T16S. It is the S, isn't it? TX16S. Unboxing overview and first impressions. Description. In this video I show off my new FPV radio. I am going to end up with 2 of these, one for Crossfire, TBS cross. I'm not used to tapping on this keyboard. This is why, for ages, I wanted all my keyboards the same. I've ended up with 3 different ones. I've got my good old Cooler Master on my streaming normal PC. I have a Ducky for my work one. And then I have a Logitech G something. 405, something like that. For my gaming machine. I need to change all these I's to capital letters. And one for easy UHF. I show off. I don't like show off. I want to show you my new FPV. This is the continuing saga of me completely changing my mind and deciding, also getting angry at. This is the continuing saga of me completely changing my mind and also getting angry. And also getting angry at FR Sky. Swapping things. So I'm just fixing the stream that I was watching. Or Justin. For swapping things. This is the continuing saga of me completely changing my mind and also getting angry at Free Sky for swapping things around with the R9 long range system, rendering anything I had previously. So tag's gonna be Jake's, RC stuff, Radio Master, TX16S, Jumper. What was the other one? Range Master? What's the other, like, weird one of these jumper clones? Whoops. Try and type YouTube correctly. Just Range Master? Is that what it was called? I'll see model reviews. Radio King. What a fucking horrible name. Radio King. Radio King without a space. TX18S. TX18S. Gonna give you a little tip. If you put in Radio Master and then see what people are searching for, set that as your tags. So setup review max. So set up review max pro. I need to do more to the description as well. Firmware update binding. Let me get rid of paper. Simulator receiver. Simulate or receiver. Telemetry setup. Telemetry. Telemetry. Battery. FR Sky. And I'm just going to run S on the X9. X9D. Excellent. So we can now save that. Oops, I forgot about the description. Never mind. I bought mine here, which is going to be affiliate link. Always put that in your comments to description to let people know. So then I actually need to find it on Banggood. So I'm already sending my orders. Find my TX16. It's gone up in price again. Oh, it's because it's from Czechoslovakia. Oh, that's a shame they won't ship to us. Okay. Expected to ship before May 7th. We're in April. Jesus, it's a good job that I Oh, ships in 24 hours, the carbon fiber one. Thing is that I wanted them all different. Like my Futaba 16 is all black, which is kind of like the carbon one, and then I have my silver one, and that's why I was going to go gold for the other. So I have gold, silver, and black. So, for example, my dad, who's not as his own favourite things, he'll know what the Futaba 16 is, because it's the same as his 18, just a different colour. But he, you know, like, it'll be easier. Does Hobby RC, not Hobby King, Hobby King again, Hobby RC have it in. So I search for Radio Master. I don't need the max. Unman Tech Shop. Have you got it in stock? Out of stock. Boo. And more expensive. Well, for now, I don't need it. I need a mover for an over to Crossfire before we look at new radios, because then I can. Well, I can so much run this now, actually, but. I bought from here. Right, let me go back to silver China, copy and paste that into the description, and then at the end of the description there's a question mark after HTML. Get rid of question mark onwards, and then what I have in a Word document is Banggood affiliate link. Not a Word document, but a Writer document, because I'm cheap and have LibreOffice. Copy it, stick it on the end, so it makes it an affiliate link. And then I also have XRC stuff description info, and that has links to Honey, PayPal, and Patreon. Excelente. We'll save that. I feel like I might leave it there. I've been streaming footage coming up on 45 minutes. I have done my daily stream. My idea was to go for an hour, but I'm very tired. And I thought I would spend some time with the girlfriend as much as I can, because it's going to be like on the phone, but you know, better than out. Flying overview, then is changing to overview. So I have a lot of videos to do. The gaming ones are not too hard. If I just find a game that I like that I'll spend hours playing anyway, like something like Factorio or Kerbal Space Program, then that just pisses away time. Some of the issues that I had when I was trying to record the Warzone and Black Ops Online stuff was I was trying to aim for 20-minute episodes. I was like, oh god, this is going to take ages, because I have to cut out the time between matches. I actually decided that don't do that, just upload each round as a video, because the whole idea of this YouTube video now is that I don't do 20-minute videos every day, because it means that some games are just easy to do for YouTube. Something like Factorio, you record for 2 hours, at 20 minutes you have 6 episodes. That's one of the issues with the RC stuff as well. You might spend 4 hours on something to make one video for 10 minutes. You know, whereas if I spent 4 hours playing video games, that's 4 times 3, 12 episodes. So yeah, that's importante, shall we say. But I am going to leave it there. So we'll move over to the end of the screen. I think if anybody did watch, which you probably didn't, but never mind. Maybe people watch the VODs on YouTube or whatever. But yes, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.
Been up here lighting up the sky.
Luna, do you have time to sing a goodbye song before you go?
Always Bear.
Hey, this was really fun.
We hope you liked it too.
Seems like we've just begun when suddenly we're through. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. 'Cause now it's time to go. But hey, I say, well, that's okay.
'Cause we'll see you very soon, I know.
Very soon, I know. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.
Goodbye.
And tomorrow, just like today, the moon, the bear, and the big blue house will be waiting for you to come and play. To come and play. To come and play. Bye now.